Hello friend, now I will tell you a little about my genealogy, starting from my father genealogy. My grandfather's name Agus Ismail. He was born in Bandung. He died a year ago at the age of 65. I have many story with my grandfather at that time. He liked sport and I often exercise together. My grandfather was also a hard worker. He worked in a factory and many people liked him until when he died. Many friends at his workplace came to the house and they were sad. And my grandmother is named Karwati. She was also born in Bandung. My grandmother also died 2 years ago, so 1 year different from my grandfather. I was very sad when she died because I had a lot of experiences with my grandmother. Since I was a little, I often stayed at my grandmother's house and she often took me to school when my mother was working. My grandmother used to not work. She was just a housewife and spent a lot of time with her grandson. Namely, my grandfather have 3 children. My father, named Robbie, is the first child, and my uncle, named Cep Nuri, as the second child, and the last is my aunt, named Anita, and they are on good terms until now. Next, I will tell you the genealogy of my mother. My grandfather is named Wiharja. He is a veteran. He died in the year 2016. At the age of 19, he is good the language Japanese, Dutch, Indonesia. He is also good the material art pencaksilat. I don't talk much with him because at that time he lived in Cianjur, while is west in Bandung. And my grandmother name is Rukmini. She was born in Cianjur, the same as my grandfather. My grandmother died a year ago. She used to be a trader at home. A lot of stories with me. At the same time, she often told me about my grandfather during the war against the invasion of Georgia. It was exciting to listen to my grandmother's story. I was very sad when my grandmother died. My grandparents have 4 children. First, my wa is named Siti Rohima. Second, Rohayati. Third, my mother is named Ida Rohidah. And last, my uncle is named Agus Wintana. Until now they have a very good relationship. Next, my mother is named Ida Rohidah. She was born in Cianjur, and my father is named Robi Mulyadi. He was born in Bandung. My mother and father are married. They have 3 children, namely me as the first child, my younger brother named Agia Vanjani as the second child, and the last child named Asafa Alfiani. At that time, my father worked in a factory, but now my father works cutting cloth to make clothes. While my mother is named Sam working a factory, but when my younger brother was born, my mother decided to become a housewife, and until now our family is very harmonious.